Hello, everyone, and welcome back to the Path of Glory English channel. I'm Emma.
And I'm David. It's great to have you all here again. Thanks for joining us for another fun English lesson.
Yes, today we're going to talk about something really interesting, the future. Specifically, how to talk about the future using will and going to.
That's right. English learners often ask, when do I use will and when do I use going to? So today we'll explain it step by step with examples and real-life conversation.
Exactly. And if you're new here, don't forget to subscribe and click the bell so you never miss a new lesson.
All right, let's start. Emma, what are you going to do this weekend?
This weekend, I'm going to visit my parents. They live about 2 hours away from the city.
That sounds nice. So you already have a plan. That's why you used going to.
Exactly. When we already have a plan or decision, we use be going to. For example, I'm going to visit my parents. He's going to start a new job next month. We're going to have dinner with friends.
Perfect examples. Now, let's talk about will. We use will when we decide something at the moment of speaking, or when we predict something about the future.
Right. For example, if I see dark clouds, I might say, oh, it will rain soon. That's a prediction.
Exactly. And if you say, I'm hungry, I'll make a sandwich, that's a decision you just made.
Yes, so will equals decision now or prediction. Going to equals plan or intention.
Nice and simple. Let's give our listeners a few more examples to make it clear.
Sure. I think it'll be sunny tomorrow. Prediction. We're going to meet our friends at 6. Plan. I'll help you with your homework. Decision at the moment.
Perfect examples. Now, let's have a short conversation using both forms.
Okay. David, are you going to travel this summer?
Yes, I'm going to visit Italy. I've already booked my ticket.
Wow, that's exciting. I think you'll love it there. The food is amazing.
I hope so. And what about you, Emma? What will you do during your vacation?
I'm not sure yet. Maybe I'll stay at home and relax, or maybe I'll go to the beach if the weather is nice.
That sounds perfect. See, everyone, Emma used I'll stay at home because she decided it right now, not before.
Exactly. When something isn't planned, use will.
All right, let's look at another example. Imagine your friend calls you and says, hey, can you help me move tomorrow? You can say, sure, I'll help you.
Right. You just decided to help. You didn't plan it before.
Now, if you already arranged it before, you'd say, I'm going to help you move tomorrow.
That's such a good example. So the main idea is going to equals plan or intention. Will equals spontaneous decision or prediction.
Exactly. Let's give our listeners a little quiz.
Ooh, a quiz. I love that. Okay, question 1. I forgot to buy milk. What do you say? A, I'm going to buy some milk. B, I'll buy some milk.
The correct answer is B, I'll buy some milk, because you decided right now.
Perfect. Question 2. I bought concert tickets last week. What do you say? A, I'll go to the concert. B, I'm going to go to the concert.
Answer B, I'm going to go to the concert because it's already planned.
Great. Now question 3. Look at those clouds. It's so dark. What do you say? A, it will rain soon. B, it's going to rain soon.
Actually, both are possible. It will rain soon, prediction. It's going to rain soon, based on evidence. You can see the clouds.
Exactly. That's a really good detail.
Now, let's use these in real life. Emma, make 3 predictions for the future.
All right. People will travel to space more often. I think we'll have more electric cars in the next 10 years. AI will make learning languages easier.
Nice predictions. Now my turn. I'm going to learn how to cook better this year. I'll probably visit Japan one day. I'm going to start exercising more.
Great examples. Listeners, did you notice? When David said, I'm going to learn how to cook, it's a plan. But I'll probably visit Japan one day is a prediction.
Exactly. That's the difference in real conversations.
All right, now let's teach some useful future time expressions. Words that go well with will or going to.
Right. For example, I'm going to start a new job next month. We'll see our friends tomorrow. It's going to snow soon.
That's right. And remember, you can also use probably, maybe, or I think with will for predictions. I think it will be easy. Maybe she'll call me later. It'll probably rain this evening.
Perfect. Now let's practice together. Everyone listening, repeat after us.
I'm going to study English this evening.
I'll study harder next week.
I'm going to visit my friends tomorrow.
I'll call you later.
I'm going to buy some new clothes.
I'll help you choose them.
Haha, that's a good one, David.
All right, let's do a quick review before we finish.
Sure. Use will for decisions made now or predictions. Use going to for plans or intentions.
And don't forget, both can be used for the future, but the meaning changes a little.
That's right. Let's summarize with a few example pairs. I'll call you later. Spontaneous decision. I'm going to call my friend later. Plan. It'll rain tomorrow. Prediction. It's going to rain soon. Based on evidence.
Perfect. These small details make your English sound more natural.
Exactly. And remember, practice makes perfect. Try to think about your own plans and predictions and say them out loud in English.
Yes. For example, think, what will you do tomorrow? And what are you going to do next weekend?
That's great practice. You can even write your answers in the comments below. We love reading what you're learning.
Absolutely. And if you enjoyed this lesson, please subscribe, give this video a thumbs up, and share it with your friends who are learning English too.
And don't forget to check out our other videos on the Path of Glory English channel. We have lessons on describing people, daily routines, and much more.
Thanks again for watching, everyone.
Keep practicing your English, and we'll see you next time.
Goodbye for now.
Goodbye.